Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Classes with me. This video is regarding the news headlines and the newspaper we take reference is Mint. So let's start. The first news headline is a good news headline, by the way. Actually, the air travel momentum has taken to its peak in this COVID-19 situation. I mean pre-COVID-19 situation. COVID-19 situation is gonna get removed because vaccine are on the way, and even though the news headlines are on the way regarding vaccine, okay, that's a part. And now talk about this. Actually, all the busiest route, that is Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Pune and Chennai, has taken the momentum, and as per the clear trip data, it has seen that all these four major cities has came to top 10 ranking. And top 10 ranking means regarding the previous months, like from January, February, this ranking were same as per today's ranking, because at that time the business were running very good, but after the lockdown all this ranking came down. And right now, as per the business schedule and as per the festive season, the ranking has went up, as well as all the aviation sector and all the aviation companies have made their ticket at a lower price. Average lower price is like minus 9%, means the flight ticket whose price was 6,000, right now it is 4,800. Like Delhi to Mumbai route, it was earlier 6,700 starting price, but right now it's 4,813 something. So this is means this price tactics has been made to attract the customer and to encourage them to take air routes, as well as to increase the economy of this air travel. Because right now, to recover all that money that they have lost in this pandemic situation, I hope they regain it in pre-COVID situation. So this is all about my first news headline. Now let's move towards the second news headline. Second news headline is about the vaccine. Like Bharat Biotech has got approval for the phase 3 trial of the vaccine, which will be conducted on 25,000 to 26,000 candidates in India from different states, from different regions. Right now, as per the news, phase 1 and phase 2 trial of Bharat Biotech has been successful, and the immunity power has been seen good enough to tackle that COVID-19 virus, as well as the other companies like Zydus group in collaboration with Russia's Sputnik 5 has got approval of phase 2 trial. So this is really a good news headline. And right now there is also one more good news, that Bharat Biotech may release as soon as possible in June 2021, only if there is no emergency use of it. Means if government says that there is a emergency use right now, then Bharat Biotech have to supply, or the other companies like Zydus and Mankind Pharma, they have to supply the vaccine right now in emergency use only. But if we see or hear about the spokesperson of Bharat Biotech, then they have told by June 2021 it will be supplied and it will be in hands of the citizens of India, and that is really a good news, and really a good news for hope, by the way. So this is all about my second news headline. So let's move towards the third news headline. Third news headline is about Nestle. Actually, Nestle is gonna boost its capacity and also is ready to set up a plant in Gujarat. Why? Let's talk about it. Actually, Nestle has invested around 2600 crore for the new plant settlement, as well as increase the capacity of Maggi noodles. Yes, you heard it right, it's Maggi noodles, and it is really a good news for me also, because I also like noodles. Okay, jokes apart, right now they have also took a plan and also agreement that they will set up a 700 crore rupees plant, Maggi noodles plant in Gujarat, and they will high up their capacity for India, because this production has created a huge profit in this post-COVID situation, and they are hoping that it will also create a good revenue and a good profit in this pre-COVID session. So let's hope for the best. And they are also saying that there will be new varieties of Maggi noodles for everyone. So let's see how's the taste of the Maggi noodles. And so this is all about the third news headline. So now let's talk about the fourth news headline. Fourth news headline is about the recovery rate in metros as well as in airways. Actually, right now in this festive season, there is a tremendous spike, that is of 65% of spike in increment in passengers traveling from airways as well as in metros. Right now in Delhi, there is also a spike in COVID-19 positive patients, but all this are apart. First, it's come with a festive season. Yes, festive season, no one cares about nothing. First, they want to enjoy and all, but second thing is that all the airways, that is from Mumbai to Delhi, then Delhi to Kolkata, Mumbai to Kolkata, all that metro cities airways have seen a tremendous increase of 65%, and that is really a good news because all the aviation sector had made around 60% of the recovery that they have lost in this pandemic situation. So this is all about a good news anyway, because of increment in economy and also increment in revenues for the aviation companies. By the way, this is all about the fourth news headline. So now let's talk about the last news headline, or we can say the fifth news headline of this video. Actually, due to the increment of OTT platforms, means increment of what we say subscribers in the OTT platform, all the major broadcasting channels like ZTV, Star TV and all, they are also in a way to make their OTT platform, as they will launch their serials and all their shows in that OTT platform, and they are also in a good competition because it is the right way. This pandemic is actually the right way to launch some OTT platforms. Like right now, Max Player, Sony Live, they have took a huge spike in their ranking because of the shows, or we can say the TV series called Scam 1992. Sony Live has took the first place, and as well as Netflix had decreased their revenue. If you check my previous video, means previous news video, then I have said there that Netflix has been down by 2%, and this is really a shocking news for them, because all the Indian competitor, or we can say the Indian OTT companies or the OTT platforms, are in a huge spike, and they are giving a tough competition to all the foreign OTT platforms. So this is really a good news, because Indian companies are also in a way to take competition. So this is all about my fifth news headline, and if you like my video, then please click on the like button, share it with your friends, and click on the subscribe button. If you don't like my video, you can click on the dislike button, but write it in the comment section that what should be improved, so that I could bring the improvement from my next video. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.